Go,
boys, go!
Here the four. Austin BMX in the 2 and 3 spot. Although it's going to be Tyler Colburn will get that one.
Push! Go, Team Hollywood, go!
We got
Go!
Ricky transfer.
Go!
Adam Heath,
Head out!
Gomez, and Wyatt Lewis. Hollywood comes looking out front to 91 of Adam Heath.
Head out!
There's on the bottom. Gabe Gomez runs into 2. That's Lewis looking for a win there. Two more Hollywood. Ricky and Cameron. We're taking and Gabe Gomez.
All the way!
Colton McDonald, BMX rider. We're running out front with the Gold Cup run.
Go, boys, go! Go!
Jamie Como running in that second spot. Claire Carter running 3. We're taking 2. It's going to go Austin and Como. 7, intermediate. Adam Hickey, Jake Coates, sorry, transfers. Leaving Tricky Ricky, Cameron Gray, and Wyatt Lewis.
Go, boys!
Go!
Hold on to the 2. Cameron Gray in the 3.
We're going to miss you. You'll be able to run.
Wyatt has a Hollywood